In this quick video, I'll show you how to auto-translate YouTube video into your language. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have opened this video on my channel where I didn't uploaded any subtitles for my video and I want to translate language of this video in my language. So for that what we can do is, if we go to settings here and then go to subtitles, you can see there is no option to translate this video from YouTube. So for that what we can do is, firstly go back from here and tap on this icon which is subtitles/closed captions. We need to turn it on, and now if you go to settings, you can see there is option for auto translate. We just need to tap on it and now choose the language in which you want to translate your subtitles. Suppose I want to translate my subtitles into Hindi, then for that I'll select Hindi from here, and there you go, my subtitles are transferred to Hindi language. Similarly, you can repeat the process. Go to settings, subtitles, and now click on auto translate and choose any language from here. I'll choose Arabic from here this time, and there you go, my subtitles are now in Arabic language. But we need to make sure that subtitles closed captions is turned on. If we turn it off and then go to settings, you can see there is no option such as auto translate. So we need to make sure that this option is turned on before we do anything. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.